I'm giving you life. I'm giving you life.
Stephen A. this bitch, man. First take. Stephen A. in the booth, nigga. First take. Dollar bills, nigga.
I'm giving you life.
Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than. Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's greatness.
I'm giving you life.
Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken.
I'm giving you life.
Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than. Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken.
I'm giving you life.
Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than. Let this pen talk to these niggas for a second. Give me a minute, in it you could learn a lesson. I feel that I came to this world with a weapon. Hone my skill to kill niggas with a message by giving you life. Hard to notice if my living ain't right. The world is wrong when I question what's right. No one can tell me. Everybody searching for heaven while inhaling. Think about it. They say we see what we project. I guess it's the demons in me. I don't know if they scheming on me or scheming with me. Seen the city go from tough talk to gunplay. Gunplay got these little dudes on a one-way. Straight to a jail if a grave is avoidable. Kinda the same if a lawyer's not affordable. If you come home, nobody is employing you. With limited options, tell me what's that boy to do? Should he grab a rack and repeat that? That's a unicycle that he rides if you peep that. Cause without no dough, you can't grow, that's a street fact. And I feel misplaced by this faith, it don't be facts, I'm giving you life. Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than. Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's greatness.
I'm giving you life.
I try to dilute the ink cause the pen is lethal. But I know I only reach a percentage of people. A percentage are poison, and evil is where they find joy in. Those with the power, they exploit it. We let takers shape us into haters. Before you meet your maker, it's best that you think greater of yourself. The weight is on your shoulders, the paper's on your belt. Money once in the jeans, it's not spent on the jeans itself. Used to lean on your team, but now you leaning by yourself. Not thinking about health means you not thinking about wealth. Dying slow, streets are anemic. Keep the iron low, throwing up, set you bulimic. Maybe, I don't know. Some ask, is it my people that I am fighting for? Yes and no. I'll fight these evils till I can't fight no more. But it's cool, yeah, I can get lit. I'll be the light that glow. If by chance you ever feel lost, this light may guide you home. I'm a righteous soul, my humanity's weak. Don't know the facts on the planet where I've planted my feet. When I say that, you quick to say insanity speaks. To me, insanity is trusting what your enemies teach.
I'm giving you life.
Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than. Beautify the world just like plant life. My messages and words when they're spoken. Beautify the world just like plant life. We come from greatness, there's nothing we are greater than.